Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. So let's continue our session on Oracle Fusion Financial Applications. So let's start. So far we have seen that we have created so far we have created distribution set. Okay, then we have set the supplier numbering. Okay, that is also done. Then we have created supplier profile address, inside that also we have done. Okay, then we created bank, branch, account. Okay, that is also done. Then we created PPP, that is payment process profile. Then we have assign AP roles to our user, that is Shivam Kumar. That also done. Then also we have completed. We have assigned BU to that role that we have created, user role. Okay, and then we yesterday run the LDAP job, and then now today we will open AP period. Okay, so today we'll work on AP period. So let's start our session. So just move to our application. So this is our application. So we'll go to navigator, then we'll go to our invoice, that is in payable section. Go to invoice, then go to task list, then you will search manage accounting periods. Okay, click on it, then search for our primary ledger. BISP US, that is our primary ledger. So first period. So let's say first period is So let's say first period is August 24. Okay. Just visit once again. Invoice. Okay. Once again, manage accounting period. Such BISP. So first period will be, let's say, Jan 23. Okay. Okay, so it is saying that we cannot open before Jan 23. So in my accounting calendar I have set the date of August 24. So okay, let's say 23, or I should choose 24. Okay, let it be. So Jan 23 and Feb 23 we have opened. Okay, so in the previous session I have explained you that we can open period till December. Okay, we can lock the period also. So let's move ahead. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to set up some basic AP configuration. So for that we'll go to search, click on done, go to our project, setup and maintenance, okay, go to our project, setup and maintenance, and we'll go on search, and there we will search manage administrator profile values. Why I am doing it, I'll explain that. So just type manage administrator, it's not administrator, will not will come. Manage administrator profile. Let me search manage administrator profile values, click on it. In the primary profile display name, search default business unit. Okay, so why I am doing this, I am just going to explain, just let me do, I'll explain why we are doing this. Okay, click on search, it has not come over. So we'll create until and unless if okay, so I have to type default business unit category and no need to select display, no such, no value. Let me search by the name. Default business. Until unless it will come, we cannot. Oh, it's okay. So I'll once again I'm trying. If it will not come, then we'll set another value. Let me search by the code, that is profile option code. Let me search by the code, that is default underscore org score id. So it's okay, we are not going to search now. We will assign. Actually what we are doing, I was assigning the business unit so that we cannot take the business unit again and again. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so cancel it. We will create invoice. Default, let me search from default, not coming. Default underscore org id. No, so it is not coming. It's okay. So what we'll do, we'll directly assign our BU so that again and again we do not need to take the. Okay, so we'll create the invoice. Okay, so go to navigator, click on invoice, and we'll create invoice. We'll create invoice. Great. So if I would have performed that task directly here, our business unit would have come. So if it is not coming, it's okay. We'll search here BISP USA. Okay, to get rid of this state, we were doing that. Okay, so now we are manually entering it. So search the supplier name. So this is our supplier, BISP supplier 1. Site 1 we have created, BISP site 1 we have created, and say with the number we are giving the invoice number like 4 times 1. Okay, so this is our invoice number. So no invoice group is there, and see any mandatory field is left or what. So today's date, okay, immediate pay. We can change the pay also. See how many pay are there. We have only one BISP immediate pay. We can take any other pay also. Like if I search okay, so I'm taking immediate pay only, BISP immediate pay. Okay, then okay, BISP immediate, requester and all we are not filling. Okay, so show more fields. So this is our taxpayer ID and all, you can see. Okay, supplier and all, you see the address and all. Okay, then okay, click online. Something we have left or what? Date, payment terms, date, number and all, USD amount. Okay, so this amount, let me fill 1000. Okay, and this number is supply number, yesterday we have seen. Okay, then click online. Something is we are leaving or what? BISP, but this supplier we have filled, business side. Invoice group, number, address already we have counting. Today's date and text and all not mandatory, additional information not mandatory. Go to general tab. Match invoice line. Okay, the accounting we have to give the date of 23. Yeah, okay, so now give the line. So we are giving item 500. Okay, that is of say rent. Okay, rent already in the distribution set it is there. Okay, so say item number second is of 500, that is of expense already we have created this one. Okay, now date you want to select, you can select accounting date. Accounting date. So select the first line and we will click on distribution, so it will automatically create a distribution set. Okay, so click on distribution. Click on line. Okay, click on line. See, here it was a distribution set. Okay, here the distribution set come of the liability. Okay, so once again we have to fill the data. BISP business unit, the supplier BISP, search for the supplier BISP supplier 1, click on OK, it's corporation. So now data has come. Can show. Okay, so this is our invoice header. We have almost okay. So the number would be 4 times 4 and the amount would be 1000 we are giving. Okay, so now request online. Just a second, what is saying? Invoice header is almost completed. Okay, so this one is accounting. This accounting is coming already, the distribution set is coming. So you see the distribution set. accounting date today's, let's take today's date. Now let me click on save. We have opening period, we have given 23. Okay, let's move it once again. Okay, I'm canceling this request. So let's go to manage accounting period. Okay, BISP US is Jan 23, so we have to open from Jan 23. Okay, click on done. Jan 23 will open now. Invoice, create invoice, once again date, fill data, BISP, supplier would be BISP, okay, so number 1 2 3 4 and date Jan 23. Okay, let's take today's date. Let's see, 500, amount 500 for rent. Okay, and amount 500 on expense, and total 1000. Total 1000. So 500 would be distributed under rent and 500 would be distributed under expense. So if I select first line and click on, so if I select first line, click on distribution set, okay, everything is correct, and why it is showing some error? Everything. Okay, so I'll fix this error and we'll continue tomorrow on the same task. So let me fix. Okay, so let's meet tomorrow on the same topic. So thank you so much for joining this webinar.